Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2013 Nissan Murano and I will show you the location of the fuel pump fuse. Now you want to check the fuse in case you suspect your fuel pump is faulty and your vehicle is not starting. This video will apply to Muranos made from 2009 all the way up to 2014. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Fuel pump fuse is located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood right here on the driver's side. Now you want to remove this cover. To do that, you have two black tabs, one down here and one on the opposite side. So you want to press onto the tab and lift up. And do that on both sides. Once you remove the cover, on the bottom side you will have a detailed fuse diagram. And the fuel pump fuse will be 15 amp fuse located down here. Now this is the first thing you want to do, check the fuse before you get into any deeper diagnostics, checking fuel pressures and things like that. Always check the fuse, it's easy to do, and if you're lucky, maybe that's the only problem. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.